How to shut down laptop with keyboard in Windows 11. So let's get started. Now, there are two options or methods which will help you to shut down your laptop using the keyboard. The first option is to press the Alt key along with the function key, that is F4 in your laptop. You have to press that together. After that, this pop-up will appear in the interface. Now, they will have an option as shut down. So all you have to do is press enter again in your keyboard. After that, your device will be shut down. And the other option is to press the window key and X key in your laptop. From here again, press the U key. Now, with the help of this arrow down key in your laptop, you can simply get to shut down. After that, click or press on enter and then your laptop will be shut down. So that's how you can shut down your laptop with the help of keyboard in Windows 11, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.